welcome back to Home Decor 101, your go-to spot for making your home look fabulous. Today, we're talking about the ultimate seating solution, the L-shaped sofa, or sectional if you prefer that. Now, if you've ever struggled with arranging your living room or wondered if this trendy, space-saving couch is right for you, stick around. We're diving into why people love them, how to place them, and even a few reasons why they might not be for everyone. Trust me, you won't want to miss this. So, the first question would be, why choose an L-shaped sofa? Why do people love them? First, it's all about comfort and space. Whether you have a big family, you love hosting guests, or you just want to stretch out like a king or queen on movie nights, this sofa gives you maximum seating without taking up too much floor space. It's like the VIP lounge of your living room. Another reason, versatility. L-shaped sofas work in small apartments and large open concept homes alike. You can use them to define a space, create a cozy conversation area, or even double as a room divider. Plus, let's be honest, who doesn't love a built-in chaise for lazy Sunday lounging? So now let's talk about how to place your L-shaped sofa. So now that you're sold on the comfort and style of this sofa, where the heck do you put it? Placement is key to making an L-shaped sofa work. Of course you have options. The first one is probably the most popular, against a wall. This is a classic and practical choice, especially for smaller rooms. Tuck one side against the wall and let the other extend into the room for a cozy open feel. But you also have another option, floating in the room. If you've got an open concept space, place the sofa in the center to define the living area from, say, the dining area or the kitchen. It creates a clear boundary without needing walls. Here's another one that you may not have thought of, in the corner. If you've got an awkward or really small space, an L-shaped sofa fits perfectly into a corner, making use of every inch and leaving room for other furniture pieces. And here's another one you may not have thought of, or you may have, facing a focal point. So whether it's a fireplace, a TV, or a stunning gallery wall, make sure your L-shaped sofa is angled to keep the main feature in view. Now, of course, some of these may work simultaneously, like facing a focal point while placed in the corner. That's a really common one, but that gives you 4 really good ideas of what to do with that sofa. So now let's talk about some of the pros and cons. Is it right for you? Before you rush out and buy one, let's just take a gander here. Some of the pros include more seating, less space, great for entertaining without overcrowding your living room. Of course, it's super comfy, the perfect nap station, no need to fight over the best seat. Just make sure you get a really comfortable one. It's also modern and stylish. It works with multiple decor styles from modern minimalism to cozy farmhouse. And we've talked about this, it's a room divider. It helps to create separate zones in an open concept space, which a lot of us are seeing now because it's a super popular way to build a home. But wait, there's always a catch, right? Let's talk about some of those cons. It's not the best for small doorways. If you've ever tried to move one up a narrow staircase, yeah, it's not fun. Also, it's not great for commitment issues. Unlike separate chairs or love seats, an L-shaped sofa is a bit harder to rearrange. If you get bored of your layout often and you're not working with a lot of space, this may not be your best bet. Another con for you, it can feel bulky. If you have a tiny living room, an oversized L-shaped sofa really might overwhelm the space instead of maximizing it. So let's talk about some final thoughts here. Should you get an L-shaped sofa? If you love the cozy, stylish, and functional seating, it's a big yes. Just make sure to choose the right size and placement for your space. There's tons of different sizes available, whether you have a huge, sprawling living room or a teeny tiny apartment. You can find an L-shaped sofa that's going to work great for you. And if you're still unsure, start with a modular version so you can rearrange it as needed. Those are where basically each seat is kind of separate, so you can lay it out as a sofa, or you can have two pieces on one wall and another piece facing it. You can play with it. It's almost like Legos. You can play with it and build the sofa or seating of your dreams. So what do you think? Are you team L-shaped sofa, or do you prefer a different setup? Drop a comment below and let me know. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss a home decor tip. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next one. And remember, if you decide to get an L-shaped sofa or a regular sofa, the best thing you can have in your home is a happy family and a spirit of gratitude. Bye guys, I'll see you in the next one.